Kids World Discovery. Have fun!
Hello guys, today we're going to learn how to make a rocket. See how nice it is. So let's start. Firstly, I'm going to take my origami paper, which is 15 centimeter like this and 15 centimeter like this. I'm going to fold it over. I'm going to make a nice triangle with the sharp fold like this with the help of your fingers. Then we're going to fold it another way. We are making it sharp because we want the paper should have a proper crease when we are folding it. Now we're going to fold it inwards, so we should get a proper triangle shape. From this side I've done this way, another side this way, and there you go guys. We got a proper triangle shape from front and as well as from back. So now we are going to fold it this way, make a little wing, and from this side as well. We're going to fold it one more time, but this time we will fold it inwards. So we will open it and then we will fold it inwards again like this. And from this side open it and then fold it inwards again. So our front facing is ready now. Let's turn it around and make another part. So this one, we're going to fold it inwards again, one more time, sharp, and then again fold it one more time. And lastly, going to fold it one more time in the end. Not all the way down to here, we're just gonna fold it a little bit like this. Okay guys, so this is how it looks from the back side. Look, I have folded inwards this way as well as this way. So let's turn it around. This is our front side of the rocket. To make it more interesting, what we will do, we will going to make a black circle like this. It's a window. So let's start. I've got my stencil over here, which I'm going to use number 22 for a bigger circle, and then inside that I'll make another circle. So for that, I'm going to use this white pen or a white marker you can also take. I'm going to make a big white circle. I'm going to use a black circle again, which is the tiny circle but smaller than the bigger circle, which is number 15. But make sure it has to be in the middle of the white circle. Now I'm just thinking that we should do another white lines on the side to make it more interesting. Actually, another thing we can do, we can make it another white line which is going to match like this. Now we want to give a fire effect. To make a fire effect, we're gonna make some fire on the tail. To make a little bit of fire, I'm going to do it like this and something like this all the way down. For fire, I'm gonna color it with the red. Try to do straight strokes. We're going to cover the black window, which is this one. So I'm using diagonal lines to cover it up. So now we're going to use a thick black sketch pen, which is this one, to cover the gap. See, it's slightly faster. Now we're going to make small dots like these ones. So for that, again, I'm going to use my stencil, which is this one. I'm going to use number 3 and keep coloring it. If you want, you can create some lines to differentiate the rocket style. To make that, I can make one black line, then a little bit gap of it, then another black line, then a little bit more gap, but from here you're going to start it under the circle, then another black line from this bottom of the circle, now we're going to use some white lines in between these black lines. There you go, guys. I've made a nice rocket exactly like this. I hope you like it.
Click on the bell icon and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have fun!